Huh?
Latose.
Oh, wait. You see, now my tribe is a good to Latose, Latue. Latose. Oh, Latue. Oh, yeah, they call you, they get me, Latose. Oh, Papa, and where do you play bass? And my bad boy. You see the name when they call me, and where. You call it Virac. Talk to me. How this girl, hey, I love boy. Always hear me show where. We don't take, we know what vie. I want to Jesus. Sylvia, hey, boy. If you have bad now, Lord, don't go. I will see how you will win me on this battle. Yes. I will see how you will take me for this battle like this. Make I play this one first. Make I finish this one first. All the have to see there. See there. Man, man. I don't know. I have a peace for your peace team. I will spoil your jail. Hear him. What I hear him.
I just said, let me send you this message.
And why?
About what we discussed the day before yesterday.
Okay.
Although right now I'm still thinking. I haven't got answer yet because a lot is going through my mind. I just pray you understand me.
Another video. Look at drop another one.
A lot is going through my mind. I don't know if it's the right thing or the bad thing or the right decision. But Mama Kerry, trust me, every be a weakness. I don't get anything against that lady. I wish her good luck. I even sent a message. She said yesterday she haven't read it. I pray she read the message.
Share the
I
video.
sent a message on her Facebook.
Since it's not a mission.
She haven't read it. And
See missionary woman they cry.
To Kelly page. I pray she sees the message and I wish her good luck.
See missionary
I
woman.
will congratulate her on our upcoming marriage.
Okay.
That's for Mommy Kelly.
Missionary woman.
For you, anyway. I don't know if I should hate you. I don't know
if I should like you.
I don't know what to think. But I pray to God. Whatever that I'm saying now, don't take it personal. Because I have a lot going on with me right now.
Suzuki. I'm gonna go. My baby. See my baby. Yeah, see your baby, crack. Baby crack.
What's going on with me right
baby
now?
Crack.
And
Baby crack.
my mind is messing up with me. I don't think straight right now. But I just hope by the time I'm back, everything will be okay. And second, I will be logging out of my Facebook for now.
Right.
Because I don't really have much to do there. I only come there just to see you. But it's like the more I see you this time around, the more the pain increases. I don't want to do stupid things to myself just because of one man that I love, or I think that we have something in common. So I never know that you have another thing. Although you say it every day, I was just thinking everything will be okay. Okay. I don't have much to say right now.
Phone number. Admit, drop my phone number.
take care of yourself and
Take care of yourself.
help Mama Kerry give you joy and I wish you both a happy marriage. It's the best thing in life. I just pray that I will be okay at the end of the day.
Sylvia, Julia, Sylvia is the one talking and she's the one crying.
And
They play audio, let me answer my audio. Let's continue to replay audio. Hello. Hello. This speaker.
Hello?
This speaker is your speaker.
I know. Good morning, my brother. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I greet everybody.
Good morning.
I've been watch you, but you know, saying early morning we day here. It's just after 5 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
I never even come home. I didn't watch you, Frank. I beg. I want to ask you, how you take day?
What's that? My God.
I don't understand though. I use God beg. How you take day? When we say all these women, whenever you finish with them, they're not gonna let you be. They cry, they come out, they shout. Why? I been get what you they put for your bola say they hammer there.
My God. Oh.
I don't understand. I never seen this guy one before. Eh? I'm not got the main presenters for Facebook. Now let you one because I don't say no get a chop for us and I no get way do my like shit. Me no say they do well too for outside. They no beg they come and come cry for Rana.
You know Sabina, you know the knock the way now. You know the spend money, you know.
I don't understand you say they so this you get this guy audio now this guy they make my top of that.
It's I am you. If I say forget, you say she don't block me, she will still not do it.
I just shock oh. I just say wake up favorite guy enter Facebook. This morning I dey hear you they play this guy this guy they cry, they would they say Lato say they greet you for the language.
Yeah.
Now the Bola sweet tradition like that because I be woman now.
Yes,
I'm a
ma'am.
Bola sweet woman. Now you go to greet man like greeting now. The feeling is really deep oh. It's deep. Eh?
Very painful.
I beg, I bless said I go beg you. You know see me be tell you say me you lash them well. You know say me tell you me you give her back to them. Even hey God. I beg, me like say I go beg you, me you don't rest. Let them they back, they go like dog. I beg. We will be your fans. We already know what's going on. You understand?
Yeah.
We know say all those things where they do, so now pain they. But not so they say they cure that kind of pain. Not so that they cure pain. Nah, I don't know if I will talk whether now stupidity they worry them. Because if you date a guy and the relationship don't lead to marriage, don't wait till they die put. You know?
Yeah.
It's not a